In this video I will show you how to get old guest account back in Free Fire. So let's get right into the video. First of all, you need to click on settings in the top right corner. And once you did that, you need to click on the world icon in the top right corner. And when you do that, you should go to this. Now from here, you need to click on Bind Guest Account in the top left corner. After that, you need to scroll down and after that click on Customer Service Center. Now from here, you need to click on Submit a Request. Now you need to click on this and select Account Related Concern. Now from here, you need to describe that you want to recover your old guest account. And once you did that, you need to click on Submit. And that's it for this video.